Hi guys, I'm so super excited. I have a new project I'm working on. I have this pocketbook. I was going to throw it out, see, and take a look at it. But it had some nice things I could do with it. Look at the strands here. I'm going to use this, and I'm thinking, at first I thought earrings. I said no. So I'm thinking more about bracelets. And then right here in this strip, I'm thinking also, so I'm thinking more the line of turning them into earrings. Well, this right here, this strap, maybe a neck choker or possible bracelet. You see where I'm going with this? See where I'm going? And here, look at these little loops right here. These would be some gorgeous earrings. And then again, another strand of strings here that's hanging with dangled fringes or fringes or sprinkles, whatever it is. I'm gonna use these, and if not earrings, possibly a bracelet. So I'm so super excited. I was gonna throw this bag out, and I'm so sorry. I don't remember I got the bag, but whoever gave it to me, I'm so sorry. It is actually a Bercetta, if I'm saying it right. Forgive me. It's in the bag. It's actually a nice bag, and it's genuine leather. The color is awesome. That's what gave me the inspiration to make the piece I'm going to make, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So I'm super excited. So come along and follow me on this journey, and let's have some fun. Just being creative. So I gotta be very careful when cutting this. So let me see, we're gonna cut from the slits nice and neat right here. See, right from the ends. Share your comments. Let me know what you think. If you try this DIY, leave all your comments below, and remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications so you get more of these wonderful creative DIY by Jan, me on Just Being Creative. Bye.